Chapter 2: Choices. We all come into this world the same, naked, scared, and ignorant. After that grand entrance, the life we end up with is simply an accumulation of all the choices we make. Our choices can be our best friend or our worst enemy. They can deliver us to our goals or send us orbiting into a galaxy far, far away. Think about it. Everything in your life exists because you first made a choice about something. Choices are at the root of every one of your results. Each choice starts a behavior that over time becomes a habit. In essence, you make your choices and then your choices make you. Every decision, no matter how slight, alters that trajectory of your life. Whether or not to go to college, who to marry, to have that last drink before you drive, to indulge in gossip or stay silent, to say I love you or not. Every choice has an impact on the compound effect of your life. Your life is a product of your moment-to-moment choices. Since your outcome are all a result of your moment-to-moment choices, you have incredible power to change your life by changing those choices. Step by step, day by day, your choices will shape your actions until they become habits, where practice makes them permanent.